Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Kitchen Stove Decoration Ideas, where we invite you to discover the endless possibilities of transforming your kitchen stove into a stunning focal point. Whether you are a home chef, a kitchen enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the art of interior design, this channel is your go-to source for creative and inspiring ideas to enhance the aesthetics of your kitchen stove area. Join us as we explore the world of kitchen stove decoration, offering you a treasure trove of tips, tricks, and die projects to elevate your culinary space. Our channel is dedicated to showcasing the perfect harmony between functionality and style, ensuring that your kitchen stove becomes a captivating centerpiece that reflects your personal taste and lifestyle. Here's what you can expect from our videos. Number 1, stylish stove makeovers. We will take you on a journey through remarkable kitchen transformations where outdated and ordinary stove areas are revitalized into showcase of elegance and sophistication. Get ready to witness the power of color schemes, textures, and clever accessories that can turn your stove into a work of art. Number 2, seasonal decor inspiration. Discover how to infuse the spirit of every season into your kitchen stove area. From festive holiday arrangements to fresh spring accents, vibrant summer themes, and cozy autumnal displays, we will guide you in creating a dynamic space that adapts to the changing seasons and fills your kitchen with warmth and joy. Number 3, functional and beautiful storage solution. Explore the ingenious storage ideas that not only keep your kitchen essentials organized but also contribute to the overall aesthetics of your stove area. We will share creative ways to incorporate shelves, racks, and containers that strike the perfect balance between practicality and visual appeal. Thanks for watching my video.